Good morning, Polygon Leak Detection. Kara speaking, how can I help you?
Every day, Polygon helps save water by locating and fixing leaks all over Europe. There's no need to rip up the driveway or tear your hair out. You're in safe hands. We help both commercial and domestic trade tackle complex leak detection in a non-destructive way. Leaking pipes can cause massive damage. A 0.5mm leak could cause a loss of 20 litres of water every hour. We continually invest in the latest technologies, and there is no leak we can't find. And we not only find the leak, we can fix it and dry your property too. Added to that, our comprehensive reports can help you recover the costs from your insurer, as we are used and trusted by most leading insurance companies. Until recently, your options for tracking down leaks behind solid surfaces have been limited. All too often, jobs have resulted in major excavation works of an often expensive solid surface to fix the problems caused by the water trapped behind it. Polygon is now your go-to for leak detection.
I should be with you in about 45 minutes.
So how does the Polygon service work? Well, our friendly technicians are all directly employed and are carefully trained by us. They are equipped with all the latest technologies to quickly and accurately find the cause of the leak, whilst causing you as little disruption as possible. We will now go through our most common methods: acoustic profiling, thermography, tracer gas, and endoscopy.
Has the plumber been and had a look at it?
The plumber hasn't been
so
yet.
We're starting from scratch then.
So we've got a series of pipes.
After a brief orientation by the customer, it's time to carry out the investigation.
Polygon have been called to this property due to the fact the customer's had a rather large water bill submitted to him. I'm about to use this acoustic listening device to try and determine which pipe the leak is on, either the hot supply or the cold supply, before we carry out any further investigations.
Detecting water damage at an early stage is essential to avoid unnecessary replacement of building materials, which saves both cost and CO2 emissions. When water damage remains hidden for a long time, it often causes significant loss.
We're continuing the survey, again using the acoustic listening device, but this time we're using a ground microphone to pinpoint the leak.
Once again, our technician minimises invasive excavation by tracing the exact spot.
We're now going to check this wall with this thermal imaging camera.
The sophisticated camera makes it possible to pinpoint the exact spot of a leak, saving work and costs. Adding a special tracing gas to the gas system of the property makes it possible to find the leak starting outside.
We've completed our survey on the outside of the property. We've now moved to the inside of the property to locate the leak.
Once again, a way of finding the problem without tearing the property apart. In remote spaces, the video endoscope is a reliable tool. Close-ups from the high-tech camera gives you the information you need to decide the very best course of action. At Polygon, we realise that using smart sensors and units for automatic closing of valves in case of leaks is part of the future. We install, sync, and check, and combined with constant surveillance, we make it possible to detect damages so early that in the majority of cases, no replacement of material is needed. Please, contact us if you want to prevent damage before it happens. We promise to be there when you need us the most. And remember, when the leak is taken care of and the drying equipment is installed, we do not leave you until everything is finally checked. Always by your side.